What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a minute since I've been able to make a video because this week and as far as trading has not really been favorable for me. Not even as far as like wins, it's more like I haven't really been able to find trades. So I haven't really been able to make videos. But today is finally a day that I was able to actually get a trade, or like I didn't let my psychology get the best of me where I took a trade where I wasn't supposed to take a trade. I just stuck to my rules and I was actually able to benefit. And by the title, you can see we made 12,000 today. Um, I wish that I trade during Martin Luther King Day, and if I did, I would have been able to actually snag. Like I did trade, but like I messed up, so I kind of like traded to the point where it's like I didn't take a trade. Like I basically made nothing. But today was finally a day where I actually had favorable price action. I predicted it right, and we ended up doing exactly what I thought we were gonna do. So let's get into it. Let's get into what happened today. And I'm gonna start screening my screen. I just gotta clear up my screen. I ain't gonna lie. It's been a minute since I've been able to do this. I don't even know which stuff happened, but like as you guys know, this has been a journey. Right now, I'll let you guys know where I'm currently at as far as journey wise and where we're going to. So if you guys don't know, I've officially secured two different payouts from Tradeify, two different $3,000 payouts. So I count myself as a profitable trader, and right now I'm trying to see if I can get another payout so we can make $10,000 this month. That just sounds absolutely crazy because obviously I use Canadian currency, so every time I actually get a payout, it actually weighs more for me. I end up making way more, which is very favorable for me. So let's get into what actually happened today. So I'm gonna first start by showing where my account's at. So my screen share. Hold up before I mess this up. Yeah. So as you can see here, this is my Tradeify account. My Tradeify has a maximum amount that I'm allowed to make for all my accounts. And as you can see here, we've been doing pretty much very well. I think this day, like I said, I took two different trades where it's like I lost one on one this day. This one was just purely bad. I just don't even want to get into this. And the worst part is that I was supposed to win on this day. And I was a little bit crashing this day because my phone broke. I was just going through a lot. My phone broke and everything. Like I was going through a lot. I ain't gonna lie. So psychology was getting the best of me today. This day I wasn't able to get a trade, but we just need three more winning days and we're closer to our payout. Once again, three more winning days. It could be there. It could be boom, 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 or boom, boom, boom. Just by next week, we likely can get another payout, which is insane to say, but it's good. It's a good feeling. It's a good feeling knowing that you're about to get a payout. But so we're up one win on this account. Now let's get into our tossed up accounts, and then I'll then get to the breakdown. So at least you guys have an understanding where I'm doing. So as you can see, we made $2,100 and we are copy trading off of 5 accounts. I used the practice account so I could kind of show you guys how, like, because I've been trading on this one for a while. This kind of gives a whole synopsis of like how I've been doing for a long time. Although like there are a lot of trading days here where it's like it's not even being accounted for. Like here there are a lot of trades that have not been accounted for, or like you see that why I lost that much. Like there are definitely a lot of troll days, but it's a good way for me to see how I've been doing like on a month-to-month basis, because at least that one the calendar stays. When it comes to these ones, obviously I just got this spot like a month ago, and they're all being copy traded, so it's the same trades. I would have taken all of them. So as you can see, this is my balance for this account. As you can see, hold on, wait 1 second. But like, yeah, so this is account 1, account 2, account 3, account 4, account 5. And as you can see, basically with what we've seen today, it basically insinuates that if we get one day where we hit our maximum daily profit target, I have officially made, like I've officially have $5,000. If I make a $4,005 in these next 2 days, or the next set of days, I have officially passed all my accounts, and all I gotta worry about is getting the payout. Oh, as you can see, if we have a good day tomorrow where we can literally just replicate the same thing we did today, we can for sure secure about like two different trading accounts. And that's the goal. The goal is to get as much as we can and I think by then we'll be able to secure two of the pay accounts. Yeah, this one and this one. If we can at least replicate what happened today, we can secure these two. Obviously, I'm gonna try and get my maximum daily profit, but at the end of the day, a win is a win. But let's get into what happened today. So, a lot of the things have been deleted. So, we start off today. Um, we were bearish. I said bearish. Are you bearish? Bearish strike, bull strike. I don't even know. Bullish. Yeah, we were bullish today. 1 hour, 4 hour. My synopsis was for us to go up, but at the end of the day, we are always expected for it to happen. Either way, we're okay. We had a 1 hour for value gap around here. I'm just not gonna mark it up again, and as you can see, we never swept this liquidity, so that's the reason why I was not expecting to sell. So we went down, we went into the 1 hour here, swept this, into this other 1 hour, and then boom, we finally got some respect. When we finally got here, this is about 10:20. So time has gone. A lot of displacement has gone, but we have not had the right type of price action, which is like guessable. Like you can't really guess this down move at all. So what did we do? So what I took at first was once we closed and break the structure here, it kind of went into this order block right here. And when it went to this order block, I was comfortable enough to long it right here. So here I was able to long it from here, right? But as you guys know, my favorite type of continuation is fair value gap. So what happened here when when it respected the first time, I added some more contracts and I put my stop loss about here. When it respected again, I added more contracts and then had my stop loss about here. But that's the thing though, I could have risked it to make it about 30 contracts, like it says right here, but I didn't. I only had 23 contracts. I put it about here. I was trying to be more conservative. I just didn't want it to get whipped out. And as you can see, the highest moment it reached, we got to 3.79, 3.73 RR. That's how much of a winning trade this was, and I was aiming for it to go up there. I took a little bit partial here, took some partials right here, and as you can see, after it hit here, it kind of went back, and I kind of like, cause it's different when you're trying to get your accounts, when you're trying to like get your first set of payouts and get comfortable with this, you be more conservative. Once you're in the game, you've been making money, you have money in your account, like you're cooling, then it would be like, oh, just write it out to TP1. Like here, if I was to close, the only thing that will close me is if it breaks even, or if it's when it gets here, I am taking all my profit. But one of the two, or even at this point, I would have put it like right here for my stop loss at this point, or just have it trailing, because at this point, there's no reason why you should not secure more profit on this. I know TGR got some wins and he's aiming for these highs to be taken out. It's gonna take a long time, but at the end of the day, it's what you're aiming for. But yeah, that's as far as this trade goes. We had a winning trade. This is what happened for today. Thankfully, there were some winning trades yesterday, but I went to sleep because I had a night shift. Like there was a sell here, but I had a night shift, so I got tired. I couldn't stay up. But nevertheless, guys, like life is changing for me. Like I'm watching myself get into this moment where life is just gonna keep on changing and changing and getting better and getting better. And I don't want it to slow down at any point. As you can see, hold on, I don't want it to slow down. I'm trying my best not to slow down. I'm trying my best because I don't want to go back to work. I truly don't want to go back to work. But it's just showing up for yourself every day, taking the trades you know you're supposed to be not taking the trades you know you're not supposed to be taking. Those are the very key pivotal things. Not taking the trades you know you're not supposed to be taking, and taking the trades you know you're supposed to be taking, and executing. Execution is key. Because when I used to go to work every day, just like hustle for this stuff, I used to say, don't let me figure this out. And I can gladly say I figured it out, and it's all about execution now. It's true about execution, about scaling my profits, scaling the amount of money I can make, scaling the amount of money that I can withdraw, getting better every day, day by day by day by day, and just doing the best I could do. And that's what I'm doing right now. Me and my friend are doing it. My brother's starting to get into it, but it's all about getting better, or it's about trying your best to be better. And that's what I'm doing right here. As you can see, I'm doing good. I feel like I'm doing good. I have not gone to work in like weeks. I haven't been to work since right after, so like a month I haven't been back to work, and I have money. Like I have money. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not scrambling for cash. I'm comfortable. I'm very, very comfortable. I'm working towards getting another payout, so I don't have to worry about money again. And you know what? I'm doing my school stuff. I'm making sure I'm showing up for myself. I'm going to the gym. I'm feeling better. Mental is better. Life is feeling better. Everything's just better. So that's how it is for me. And then lastly, I just want to say thank you guys, and thank you guys for being part of this journey. Obviously, as much as I'm winning, I want you guys to be able to get wins. That's why I'm dropping off gems. Eventually, I'll get to the point where I'll start to explain my strategy, but as of right now, I really can't do that. Like, I got too much going on. I got graduation. Maybe after graduation, once I really build my platform up, build my voice, that's when I start teaching people, or like at least putting my strategy out there. Because if I teach my strategy, a lot of things about teaching strategy, if I teach my strategies and the whole world does my strategy, we will all win at like the same time, and we will all like be making money on like it will literally help our volatility if we all do the same thing. We all buy the same place, sell the same place, help me get secure some more profit. But nevertheless, like it's all about every day putting that work, hustle, putting that grind, trying to be better, trying to show for yourself, knowing that you have something planned for yourself and know you're going to be able to attain those things. That's another thing. It's all about having that confidence, being confident in yourself as a trader, being confident in yourself as a person all around. I'm truly grateful for like all that is that I've been able to accomplish so far, but I know I have a lot more to accomplish, and there's a lot more that I want to accomplish myself. Apart from that, I appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. The only other things I'll tell you guys is that you guys should have your daily like affirmations. That's part of the things that made me get to where I am. I wrote, I journaled, made videos to journal, made actual things to journal. Like I actually just I like believed that this was gonna be my future. Like I believed it. I like convinced myself that there was no other way but this way. And now I'm starting to like see the proof of the pudding, seeing the proof of the work, seeing the proof of the hustle. So like I say, just keep on putting in that grind and keep on practicing. If you don't know your strategy works, that's why you backtest. Only have one strategy for one session. Your strategy don't work, backtest. Your strategy works, live test paper trading. Try to get your psychology in it, and then once you master this tool, then start actually trying to just go in and do what you're supposed to do. Do what it is you know what to do. Get discipline. Fix your life outside of trading. And it's okay to lose. It's okay to win. Like you see, I had L's. You saw my calendars. I had L's, but like you see, each month it was getting better. Less and less L's. Less days that you let the psychology get to you. Less days that you get a bad trade. But it's all about that mental. It's all about clarity. It's all about knowing that you're going to put that work to get you to that next level. Once you know, and once you actually do those work to put you to the next level, you're unstoppable. Nothing can stop you. And it's all about being in a position where you know nothing's gonna stop you. That's all. That's what we do every day. That's what we try our best to do every day. Be unstoppable. Apart from that, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm gonna catch you guys in another video. Later out. Peace.